Okay, so we're jamming to some music and watching my dad clean the car.
Jackson, you said you're getting a headache and you're about to cry, and you're like, my head's throbbing.
Dude, I was kidding. Now I think my dad's getting mad. And why is this green?
Because your camera doesn't have that good quality.
Yeah, it sucks.
No, I'm just kidding. Jackson, the Flip is a good camera, really good camera.
That's what the guy was like, hey man, whoa.
I know, because the guy's never seen that good of technology before.
He used fireworks.
Man, that stupid thing just took my gun. $1 something. I'm gonna take these kids.
It just took
Yeah,
your dollar.
y'all got firecrackers. We did. Tucker's going. We did. Yeah, play dumb.
Wait, yeah, you have to go to complain to the guy.
All right, y'all gotta go down the street and shoot all these off. Cause Aunt Amy get mad.
Okay, no, let's go talk to the guy over there. Tell him to take your money.
What guy? Jackson, don't turn on lights when I'm trying to drive, son.
Oh, by the way, he told me that he doesn't get, the song doesn't give him a headache, that it's just, he doesn't want to listen to it. He just admitted it.
I don't like these Bing Bong songs.
There's a guy over there you can
Where?
go talk to. He's like in there. There's a little place where you can go in
Oh,
there.
really?
Yeah.
I say you go. I mean, you're American.
So I'm like, why is everything...
It's your right to complain.
Okay, so like, yeah. We're just like telling my dad he should complain. And this is probably just gonna steal his money again, and he's gonna get mad and be all Jiminy Crickets.
Inside scoop, inside scoop. Here, I'll take it. We're going out of the car. He's going to complain.
I'll tell you what. I'm gonna come back and blow this place up. Get in the car. Get in the car.
Wait, you said you're gonna blow this place up?
Yeah, I'm gonna blow it.
Give me the camera!
You're missing it, Jackson.
Wait, what is it doing?
It's not working.
Stupid, you can't blow a place up.
Get in the car, Jackson.
Well, my dad's gonna flip it out. I'm gonna turn this off now.
What do you want to do?